Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. I have an unboxing of a Disney Park exclusive Pandora charm to share with all of you. Now, as soon as this charm came out and I saw photos of it online, it was just like instant love at first sight, and it went immediately on my Pandora charm wish list. I am on a student budget, of course. I have to be like super strict, and I'm like, if I can save enough or budget enough, or if there's some type of promo or something, I would love to add this charm into my collection at some point, and finally I was able to do so. I went onto the Disney Store website and I picked this up, as well as like a couple gifts. My little brother's actually, him and his wife are expecting a sweet little baby. So I like kind of ordered a couple things for them on there. And then I'm like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna cave and I'm gonna get this charm too. I'm so excited. This is the Alice in Cheshire Cat Pandora charm. It is beautiful. It's like an unbirthday theme, because it's the unbirthday cake, almost kind of in the shape of a hat too, but it's not. And I didn't even know when I first looked at it, but it has like a little pop of that like kind of Alice teal color in it, besides just the magenta pink. Now the magenta pink is a very special color for me because Alice and Dinah were rescued from free Korean dogs, and that magenta pink color is the rescue organization's like kind of theme, like their logo theme. And so like, I'm like, oh man, I have to, like, this is just extra special. Now Dinah the cat, of course, isn't on here, but Cheshire Cat, he's kind of close enough. So I'm very excited to unbox this charm with you all. Anyway, without further ado, make sure, of course, it's definitely on the Alice theme, to grab a delicious cup of tea, but of course, your choice of beverage as well. And actually, I should tell you what I'm having. I'm having the Jasmine Oolong tea. I actually just filmed another kind of Alice in Wonderland theme kind of collaboration with the Art of Pandora, so you might have seen this outfit already and everything, but I'm still drinking the same tea I had in that video, so it's so good. It's very delicious, lovely amount of caffeine for a little caffeine boost, and it combines both my two favorite teas, Oolong and green tea. So delicious. So anyway, I'm done rambling. Let's get started with today's video. Virtual cheers, you guys.
All right, let's unbox this charm together. I'm going to read to you what Pandora and Disney have to say about this charm. Celebrate your unbirthday while bringing a touch of whimsy to your look with this delightful figural charm from Pandora, inspired by Walt Disney's beloved Alice in Wonderland. An elaborate sterling silver hat covered in pink and blue enamel is decorated to look like a cake, representing the unbirthday cake Alice receives from the Mad Hatter. On one side of the hat sits a tiny replica of Alice. On the other side is the always mysterious Cheshire Cat, created especially for Walt Disney World Resort and Disneyland Resort. The charm came very well packaged from the Disney Store. It had the sleeve cover, it had the beautiful Pandora Disney box, as well as the plastic that keeps it from tarnishing. So it was wonderfully, beautifully packaged. And here is the charm, you guys. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful.
Oh my goodness, there is blue on the bottom of the hat, like that like Alice blue kind of teal color. I didn't even notice that. Oh my gosh, the bottom's flat too. I didn't even notice that. Oh my goodness. I'm filming this and I was planning to do voiceover, and then I just had to tell you guys. I'm just so amazed by this. It has Disney Parks Pandora on the bottom. Disney 925. Oh my gosh, the S925 ALE. Look at Alice and the little candle is up at the top. Okay, let us zoom in nice and close on this and we can point out all the details, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This is such a perfect charm. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it, love it.
Here is a look at the front of the charm. I'm going to show you all the different angles of it now. So this is the front. It has the Cheshire Cat obviously on the front there, with Alice hanging out near the back of the charm. You can also see the little flame of the birthday cake. I love that it's in the shape of a hat. When I originally looked at this, I was thinking it was just like a cake and it was on a saucer. But what I didn't realize is they had done it in the shape of the Mad Hatter's hat, which is just so brilliant and so fun. It definitely gives a nod to that Alice in Wonderland charm they released a couple years back. I do have a YouTube video all about the Alice in Wonderland collection Pandora did back in, I think it was in 2021, and that collection was amazing. And the charm I'm referring to has little tiny flowers on it. It's really pretty. Now here you're seeing a look at the back of the charm. You can see Alice's beautiful hair detailing, beautiful little bow on her back. It's such a sweet charm. You can see all the little decorations on the cake slash hat. It is so, so cute. They did a beautiful job portraying Alice in her little dress. She looks like she popped out right out of the animated film. She looks so, so cute. Now we're going to move into some of the side details of it. So here we see a little more detail on the side of Alice and the Cheshire cat. You definitely can see the shape of the hat now. I'm surprised that I just didn't realize that. I think I just really saw it as the birthday cake, but it's a combination of both, which I think is really cool. This also, besides of the fact, reminding me of my two sweet rescue dogs, Alice and Dinah, definitely makes me nostalgic for Disneyland. I love Disneyland. If you haven't seen, I do have a lot of Disneyland vlogs here on my YouTube channel, but the Alice in Wonderland ride is, okay, it's tied. It's tied with Haunted Mansion. Those two are my top two favorite rides. I just love them. Here you can see a close-up look at the little flamed little birthday cake candle here. It is so cute. I love that's how that's like poking up from the top. It's super cute. Here's another look at the hallmarks that you can find on the bottom of the charm to know that it is an authentic Disney Pandora charm. It is just so pretty. And then do you see how shiny it is, how it catches the light? I love the sterling silver and the little enamel details. I think this is just such a special charm. I've had the honor of meeting Alice and the Mad Hatter at Disneyland, and it was just, oh my gosh, it was such a dream come true. So this charm also makes me think of that as well. It is such a special charm. I just love it.
As mentioned, as I'm currently filming this anyway, this is available on the Disney Store website, as well as a couple other Disney Park exclusive Pandora charms. It's always like a hit or miss what they're going to have on their website, but I always love checking every once in a while to see what they have. So I will have this charm linked down below in the description bar on where you can find it, as well as the name and stuff in case you're kind of curious about it. I'm very excited about that. I am an affiliate for Disney, so if you do use my link, I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's unboxing of the Alice in Cheshire Cat Pandora charm. I love this charm so much, and as mentioned, I need to kind of play around with this Alice in Wonderland themed bracelet because I almost feel like that charm should be the centerpiece, or it should go somewhere, or maybe I can kind of use my Cheshire Cat bangle and combine it, like kind of, have those both representing my two pets, like kind of both of them, wear them stacked. I'm not sure. I might do a design with me video. If you guys are interested in seeing that, please let me know. In my other video, I also said, I'm not sure if you'd want to see that video now because we're kind of in the fall, heading into winter season, and that might feel more spring-like. But if you would like to see it sooner, please let me know down below in the comments section. And if you have this charm in your collection, please let me know how you've chosen to style with it. I would love to know. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you all a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.